Hello guys, welcome to our channel Coding Solutions. In this video, we are going to discuss about the course The Joy of Computing Using Python. It is a 12-week course of NPTEL. So we are performing very well in the assignment section. Now it's up to the main exam to pass well and get good marks. Otherwise, without passing the main exam, you won't be getting a certificate from the NPTEL. So for that, I have a recommendation. You can visit our website and get very good marks in your exam, and all the questions, mainly many questions will be common for you. So let's talk about everything in detail. You can check our marks. We have got very good marks, almost 90 in all the assignments we have done. Now, how can you get good marks and questions common questions? How can you get that? For that, I will refer your website. If you visit that website, you will getting very good marks and all the questions in common. So let's visit that website. See, the link I will provide in the description. It's a pack of 3. Set A, set B, set C. 3 sets of question paper are there. If you visit them, you will be benefited by getting 360 unique questions. That means huge questions. You will be getting huge questions. 360 questions. It's not a matter of joke. You will be getting that kind of questions from them. So please try to visit this website and purchase them. Suppose if you are only one user, suppose you only want to buy this, then it will be only cost 179. If you increase the number of users, suppose you need 5 users, you have 5 friends and you are registering for 5 users, then it will be only 499. That means per user it is just costing only 100 rupees. You can easily purchase them for 360 unique questions. I will surely suggest you to purchase these questions and get 360 unique questions. That's very good for getting good marks in your exams. So please visit this website, and mainly one important thing is that if you use our coupon code of Coding Solutions 10, that also I will provide in the description box. If you use that, you will be getting extra 10% off on your MRP price. So that is also an extra advantage for you. So if you want, you can purchase this. I will recommend you to purchase this because they always provide accurate and perfect answers. Please visit the website and have a look at it and purchase this questions. It will be benefited for your exams, that I can guarantee you. All the links will be provided in the descriptions. So I will provide them in the description box, and we will be meeting in some other videos. Thank you.